Hi guys, Mimi Footnip here. Today I'm going to do a little behind the scenes unboxing of a pair of Tory Burch shoes that Rocket Man sent me. If you want to skip to the good parts, forward to 2 minutes and 20 seconds and I'll catch up with you there in a little bit. If you want to see the whole video, you can hang out here with me. I am really excited for this pair of shoes. As you can see, the detailing of the packaging is just beautiful. When I opened the box, it comes with this note from the company, and it's just a little thank you note on their embossed stationery with a gold seal, and then there's a note from Rocket Man, like a little gift note, which is really sweet and really cute. Thank you so much, Rocket Man, for spoiling me with all these beautiful designer shoes. I love Tory Burch. And just the details and in the unboxing, I just wanted to show you a little behind the scenes look. If you are new here, consider subscribing, or if you've been watching for a while and you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing that. And if you want to see more videos from me, more shoe modeling, more uncut video, extended and bonus footage, head over to patreon.com/shoebox for more. So when I open this bag, you can see the shoes are in here, and they're very just very cute with the Tory Burch colors and logos. Really fun. YouTube has not been very happy with me showing my feet on this channel, despite it being a shoe fashion channel. So I am going to put a little bit of shoe modeling at the end of this video. But if you'd like to see all of the shoe modeling, like I said, head over to patreon.com, and you can follow me on Patreon for occasional photos without having to subscribe. So consider doing that as well. So let's get into some shoe modeling. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and let me know what you think about these Tory Burch shoes in the comments. Please keep your comments polite and respectful. Thanks so much.